lamb racks today. We're going to do lamb racks on the barbecue. They're going to be grilled on the coals outside, and we're going to be doing a delicious Greek salad as well. It's a very quick and simple process. These beautiful lamb racks, fresh today. Spring lamb here in Australia at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to marinate these. And we really are going to be doing them Greek style, obviously, because we're going to be doing a bit of a Greek salad here. You've got lettuce, heirloom tomatoes, red onion, cucumber. We've got the peppers, as I like to call them, but they are capsicums, feta cheese and olives. So as far as your marination is concerned for your lamb, most important thing is oregano. Start with the oregano, right? Just get that all over the lamb. Smells absolutely delicious. And we're going to do it on both sides. Make sure you get the bones too. These ones have been really Frenched, heavily Frenched. There's no fat on these at all. So we're going to have to cover them when we cook them for the first part, but we'll do that when we get around to the cooking section. Let's cover that in oregano. All right, get rid of that. Salt. We've got the Himalayan rock salt sort of thing going on over here. You know, you guys know, I use a hell of a lot of salt, and the more the better. Brings out the flavour in the meat. Turn them around. Get the other side. Lots of salt. It's so easy, but no one does it. That's the problem, you know? Pepper. Got to make sure your pepper's open. Why is that shut? There we go. Pepper's open. Get that nice and covered. Flip it over again. Pepper. This is Greek style, but it's better than Greek style. It's cooking with Tim style, which is amazing. Okay, and then oil. All right. The oil all over it. Both sides. Over here. All right. And you're going to need that oil too, because, and then pat it all in. Put it all around. Mix it up. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Another one on the other side. Get that all in. Okay. Now if you want to put them in the fridge for a couple of hours, by all means do it. The longer the better. And make sure you get them down to room temperature before you put them on the fire. You do not want to put those things straight in while they're cold. That's the lamb done. It's ready to cook. Okay, next. Salad. Greek salad. Butter lettuce. I use butter lettuce. You can use Cos lettuce, you can use iceberg lettuce, whatever you like. Really, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Just cut it. You don't have to cut it too small. Just cut it into nice strips like this. All right. Get your lettuce in first. Throw it into your bowl. There you go. All right. Red onion. Slice each side off the top. Open the whole thing up. You're not going to use the whole red onion, but I cook with this all the time, and I'll go through one of these pretty much every day anyway. So if you don't use red onion too much, you're not going to use a whole lot. Maybe don't cut the skin off the whole thing so it doesn't dry out. And then cut probably about a quarter for the amount of salad that I'm doing here. And then just slice it in. Nice thin strips, bang. And then probably in half, and that's all you need. Make sure your skin's off. Red onion in. Look at these bad boys. Heirloom tomatoes. Hey? Fantastic, absolutely fantastic tomatoes. These have all been washed. Yes, Lydia, my wife, they've all been washed. Absolutely. We'd never cook without any of the vegetable produce being washed, eh? That's the way it is. And just, my father-in-law's Greek. He likes to cut the tomatoes in all kinds of different angles. He'll never cut them perfect, so just any way you like, just get through them. Cut them up like that. Nice and fresh, straight in. There's my little puppy. My little puppy Izzy. Coming to say hello, she'd be hungry soon. She can probably smell the meat. Straight in here. Again, just cut them up. Don't cut them up perfect. Lovely. Tomatoes in. So we've got butter, lettuce, red onion, heirloom tomatoes. Got some cucumbers. Just give them a peel. I don't particularly like the skin on these, so just get the skin off. Just go make yourself a cup of tea while I'm doing this. Just get them out there, and then slice that off all the way through. Done. Cucumbers down the middle. 1, 2, 3. Decent chunks in. Same with this one. Straight down the middle. If you want, you can do it again. Another one down here. Are learning my barbecue secrets, and why not? It's getting to be a good salad now. And then we don't dress it yet. I'll dress it later, but decent chunk of feta, good goat's cheese, beautiful. Cut that up like so. Throw that in on the top. Right. And then that's a small tub of olives. They're calamated pitted olives. Just grab them and throw them on the top like that. You may as well almost use the whole tub, but that'll do it for now. So that's your salad prepped over here. Your lamb is ready to go on the fire. Happy days.
Whoa.
So the lamb racks are ready. The salad is ready for dressing. Let's have a look at these guys. I've had them resting for about 15 minutes on the rest. Let's have a go. Let's have a go at how we look here. Should we get them in there? Falling apart. Lovely. Beautiful. You cannot beat it on the fire. There's no doubt about that. And if you just watch this, look at that. Beautiful. That's your lamb, salad, Greek salad, good olive oil. I don't measure anything. Of course you don't measure anything. That's just craziness, trying to measure stuff out. This is how you measure it out. About, get your olive oil, just, and then you know what's really good afterwards? You can just, if you've got extra, you can just dip the bread in it. Don't normally put oregano on the salad, but hey, why not? Just put a bit of oregano in there as well. Good red wine vinegar. Get some vinegar in. Bit of a party out the back, it sounds like. Get your vinegar on. You don't need as much vinegar as what you'll put oil. And then your salt. Pepper. Load it on. And that's your lamb. That's your Greek salad. Enjoy.